Welcome to Back to Health Today. What if you could flip a switch inside your body that turns light into energy? What if your morning drink with chlorophyll and methylene blue could reverse aging at the cellular level? What if red and near-infrared light stacked with chlorophyll and methylene blue could unlock quantum energy inside your cells, like flipping on a human solar panel? This isn't fiction, it's quantum biology and human photosynthesis. That's right. I'm Michelle Hamill with Back to Health Today, clinical microscopist and advanced wellness consultant, and I'm here to help you take back control of your health starting at the cellular level. This podcast is for biohackers, practitioners, and anyone serious about reversing aging and upgrading their energy at the cellular level. We pull back the curtain on root cause wellness and mitochondrial mastery. Ready to switch on your inner solar panel? What if your cells could literally absorb light and convert it into energy, like a human solar panel? What if something as simple as a morning tonic could jumpstart your mitochondria, sharpen your mind, and reverse aging from the inside out? You're about to learn how to do exactly that. I'm a clinical microscopist turned advanced wellness consultant, skincare specialist, and cellular scientist. I've spent over 20 years not just peering through the microscope, but going beyond the scope into the quantum level, decoding how energy, light, and cellular terrain determine the course of health, beauty, and aging. But it wasn't just science that got me here. I was divinely guided to ask, why do most people only live between 40 and 80 years? That question lit a fire that led me to a groundbreaking discovery that nearly every chronic disease shares a root cause: plaque, also known as biofilm. It's the hidden architecture behind decay, imbalance, and premature aging and disease. We'll dive deep into that in the next episode, but today it's all about mitochondria. So instead of chasing symptoms, we go deep to the root of cellular dysfunction. Today, I'm giving you a protocol I live by, something I call mitochondrial stacking. A routine so simple and synergistic, it's like flipping on the cellular light switch. It layers together 4 high-impact tools: liquid chlorophyll, Pharmaceutical-Grade 1% methylene blue. I take 15 drops daily, a medium dose that packs a punch. Red and near-infrared light therapy, and explosive movement, my favorite form of mitochondrial ignition. Let's break down why this stack works and how it can radically shift your energy, clarity, health, and lifespan. You're about to become light-powered. First, chlorophyll. Plants don't just have green pigment, they have pheophytin, the switch that turns sunlight into usable energy for them. And guess what? So do we. Pheophytin isn't just a plant pigment, it's the switch that turns you into a human solar panel. When we drink liquid chlorophyll, our bodies use pheophyte metabolites that integrate into our mitochondria and help move electrons more efficiently through the electron transport chain. This means more energy production via oxidative phosphorylation, the primary energy pathway in every cell. Next is methylene blue. This pharmaceutical-grade compound is dosed at 1%, and I take, again, 15 drops daily. Why this dose? It's a medium-sized dose that's effective and powerful enough to amplify mitochondrial function. Methylene blue is a photodynamic catalyst, meaning it's activated by red and near-infrared light. It accepts electrons in the mitochondrial electron transport chain and speeds up ATP production, your cellular battery. This creates a synergistic effect. When paired with chlorophyll and red near-infrared light, this dose magnifies the photodynamic effects driving ATP production, amplifying it, and cellular rejuvenation far beyond what any one therapy could do alone. One of my advanced wellness clients recently tried this exact stack, chlorophyll, methylene blue, and red light, before heading to a high-intensity workout class with his training partner. He told me I was flying with energy. And I said to my partner, I'm staying for the next class. She said, cool, okay, I'm going home. That's not just better energy, my friends. This is an example of mitochondrial resilience in action. Quick note, check with your licensed provider before using methylene blue. This isn't medical advice. Red and near-infrared light therapy penetrates deep into tissue and activates key enzymes inside mitochondria that crank up ATP output, reduce oxidative stress, and stimulate mitochondrial biogenesis. This is creating brand new mitochondria. The light activates enzymes that make both chlorophyll and methylene blue work even better. It's like a solar power grid switching your body into high gear. I personally use the Hooga light panel for this. As an affiliate, I'm happy to offer you my discount code longevity12 to get the best deal on quality red and near-infrared light therapy. Last but not least in the stack, movement. Forget long cardio. Explosive movement, short, intense bursts like sprints or jumping jacks, lights a fire at mitochondrial biogenesis. As a former competitive marathon runner, I've seen it firsthand. Short bursts of high-intensity movement beat long, slow cardio for health benefits every time. When you do 8 to 10 rounds of 10 to 20 second bursts with rest in between, your body builds new mitochondria. More mitochondria mean more energy, faster recovery, better metabolism, and a stronger immune system. Here's my daily routine. Morning, 1 ounce of liquid chlorophyll plus 15 drops of 1% methylene blue and a quart of alkalized water for better absorption and cellular balance. Then 10 to 15 minutes of red and near-infrared light therapy with my Hooga panel, code longevity12. Then comes the real game changer, movement with intention. 8 to 10 rounds of explosive movement, sprints, jumping jacks, or bursts of intense effort. This stack is simple, doable, electrically alive. It's not just sustainable, it's magnetic. It draws you towards new vitality, mental clarity, and resilience. This stack has transformed how I age, how I feel, and how I show up. And I believe it can do the same for you. If you're ready to take your health to the next level, I offer personalized consultations where we assess your unique biology and build custom wellness protocols designed just for you. Learn more at www.backtohealthtoday.com. That's also where you'll find the 6 Wellness Essentials, a system I call the Hamel Method. Before we go, here's a teaser. Next time, we're diving into aging and disease, biofilm and plaque, and why this silent invader is the key to unlocking long-term cellular health and energy. Please subscribe, like, and share this episode with everyone ready to hear this important information to energize their life from the inside out. If you try this mitochondrial stack, I want to hear your experience in the comments. If you have any questions, let those rip in the comments as well. And if you're a company aligned with root cause health, longevity, or cutting-edge wellness tools and want to reach a highly engaged, health-savvy audience, reach out. We're now accepting select sponsors. Until next time, support your mitochondria, move with intention, and live electrically. Your friend in health, Michelle Hamill.